guys and welcome to an all new video after probably like 4 weeks. जब मैंने पिछली बार वीडियो बनाई थी तब समर थी and अब विंटर हो चुकी है, so I'm feeling warm and fuzzy in my sweater. So this is an update video of why there were no vlogs and videos for a while and I thought कि मैं एकदम से restart करूँगी तो obviously बहुत ही abrupt लगेगा आपको and you would also want some clarity. So there were a couple reasons why I wasn't making videos for this channel for a while. So firstly because it was Diwali time and Diwali time पे I really wanted to do some vlogs and decoration videos because that is something I did last year as well. But this time thankfully there was just so much work as in so many brand deals and so much other work also coming, which I feel really grateful for, and especially a lot of work which is coming for the main channel, which is my travel channel. And before the last vlog I was struggling also to keep up with all the work, but then I had to leave for Udaipur and then Srinagar, तो ऐसे back to back trips हो रही थी and उसके बीच में you know shooting consistently for this channel was becoming a real challenge. तो इसलिए मैंने decide किया कि थोड़े टाइम के लिए ब्रेक ले लेते हैं. मैंने उस टाइम पे आपको नहीं बताया कि मैं ब्रेक ले रही हूँ, उसका भी एक कारण है, so let me come to that as well. The second reason is that I feel like if you're making vlogs you have to be your most authentic self, and sometimes that's not possible if you're under tremendous pressure or stress from work or otherwise, and you're just doing everything in a rushed manner कि अरे ये वीडियो भी बनानी है, वो वीडियो भी बनानी है, ये काम भी करना है, वो काम भी करना है, और उन सब के चक्कर में everything becomes a hodgepodge. मतलब यहाँ पे कभी कभार तो प्रेशर इतना हाई हो जाता है कि हमें 10 चीजें एक दिन में फिट करनी होती है, एंड उसके बाद अगर कोई ट्रिप भी आ रही होती है मेरी, क्योंकि दैट इज माई मेन वर्क, तो और भी ज्यादा हेक्टिक हो जाता है क्योंकि कम टाइम में हमें ज्यादा काम करके खत्म करना पड़ता है. तो ये है सेकेंड रीजन कि मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि टाइम वॉज बिकमिंग अ बिग कंस्ट्रेंट एंड stress and pressure was increasing a little too much, and this is my passion project, this second channel, so I want to keep it that way. Now the third reason why I left abruptly was, इसके पीछे एक छोटा सा कारण है, मतलब मैं इसमें ज्यादा डेप्थ में नहीं जाना चाहूंगी, but I did a vlog recently which was me cooking with Shriyoshri in my kitchen, and that was a recipe that we were trying to follow, and yes, unfortunately on that vlog I received a lot of hate where people called me things like rude, bossy, snobbish. मुझे पीछे से श्रेयस एक्यूज दे रही है, और क्या मतलब there were some very rude things that were spoken to me. I just couldn't believe it कि why was all of this unsolicited hate coming to me, and फिर मैंने इसके ऊपर थोड़ी सी analysis की, and उस time already because I was feeling so pressured and so stressed because of so many other things also that मुझे बिल्कुल ऐसे उसके साथ डील करने के लिए ना ऐसे mental capacity नहीं थी कि मैं इसके साथ कैसे डील करूँ, कि इतना जो hate आ रहा है, how do I even process it, because on other days I think when you're in your normal headspace you can still be like whatever, like okay, hate is coming, it's normal part and parcel of YouTube creation, but at that point of time I really felt like I did not have the headspace, or I wasn't in the right headspace to process all of it, and I felt like this was very uncalled for. इसके 2-3 कारण है जो मैंने later on थोड़ा सा analyze किया. One of those is that sometimes we keep saying that authenticity is what we need on videos, creators should be their authentic self वगैरह वगैरह, but मैंने एक बहुत अच्छा post पढ़ा recently which was by this creator that I follow a lot, who's a travel creator. Her name is Iwazu Beck, and she made a post on Instagram about how authenticity is something that everybody claims ki, oh yes, we want everybody to be authentic on the internet, but if they do actually go on and share all of their thoughts, people sometimes don't take it too well. Just to give you an example of this statement, अगर मैं आपको example दूँ कि मेरी शायद एक best friend है and उसकी शादी है, ठीक है, because मेरे अभी आसपास बहुत सारी शादियाँ हो रही है, इसलिए मुझे example strike किया, and मैंने अपने किसी vlog में ऐसे हल्के से बोल दिया कि guys मेरा बिल्कुल तैयार होके जाने का मन नहीं है क्योंकि मेरा आज तैयार होने का मन नहीं है. मतलब ये मैं ऐसे हल्के में मैंने बोल दिया because this is just a छोटा सा thought that just passed through my mind, but I put it on the video, and maybe people will take it incorrectly and say things like, how can you say this, she's your best friend, why do you not want to get ready and go for her wedding? So people will take this out of context even though this is just a passing fleeting thought, and I'm sure this thought can come to anybody in the world, but फिर भी इस fleeting thought को लेके लोग इस बात पे भी बहुत सारा आपको हेट दे सकते हैं. The more authentic you try to be, the more hate you end up getting. So मेरा जो previous vlog था उसमें भी on that entire day I was probably just being myself. So yeah, things were taken out of context, and honestly I swear nobody was hurt in the process of making that video, because जैसे काफी सारे लोगों ने बोला कि oh you're bullying Shriyoshri, that was not the case, because वो मेरे साथ literally 2 साल से काम कर रही है, और अगर मैं इतनी बुरी इंसान होती तो शायद वो अपनी place of stay को छोड़ के, she is from Siliguri otherwise, she wouldn't have left that and moved to Gurgaon and relocated herself to stay here, especially if she disliked me as a person. Anything you want to add to that?
Hi guys.
Hi.
So yeah, to clear things out, like nobody bullied me. I mean, nobody's intention was to hurt or like bully or make fun of my thoughts or my preparation or whatever it was. I only thing I want to say is like, genuinely speaking, honestly speaking, Tanya is the most uplifting person I have ever come across in my life. That's why, like, because see, I am an engineer. But I didn't take an IT job. I'm working for Tanya, so it speaks for itself. Even if I am not professionally associated in future with Tanya, but I will always remember that Tanya believed in me when when I didn't believe in myself. So this is what Tanya means in my life. And
ये बिल्कुल unscripted है.
obviously, please don't think that Tanya is making me say these things. This was really impromptu.
Yeah, but why do you think people mistook that vlog so much?
So basically, Ishan, me and Tanya, we all were being sarcastic, and that's what we really are.
Haan.
You already got the vibes from our earlier vlogs that we are really chill. We don't work. Yeah, that's another thing. So I have been working for Tanya for 2 years now, 2.5 years.
2.5 years
in
now.
fact. So I never felt like I'm working for Tanya. I always felt like we are creative collaborators.
Yeah.
It has always been like this.
And yeah, we have this very normal environment in the office. मतलब बिल्कुल formal वैसा वाला नहीं है जैसे corporates में होता है. So obviously we take each other's case a lot. Especially Ishan brings this to the table a lot because he's the kind of person who will first day only make somebody so comfortable by cracking jokes on them, and they're never intended to hurt somebody. मतलब half the things you don't even see on the camera.
Exactly. And that's the kind of rapport we all have with each other. Like Michael, Ritika, Tanya, Ishan, me.
Exactly.
We all are like that.
Yeah, and I think मैं तो उतना शायद मजाक करते हुए नहीं हूँ, लेकिन बाकी लोग मैं सीख रही हूँ. Like I'm still learning, but बाकी लोग तो फिर भी are super funny with everybody every single day. Maybe because you don't see everything on camera, some things just get taken out of context, and I hope that is not something that will keep bothering you guys in our future videos.
The crux of the situation was it was a casual vlog, no, not a cooking cooking show. So we were just ourselves and having fun with, and pulling leg is I think the most we can go, not bullying.
Yeah, we don't promote bullying at all.
So yeah.
Yeah, alright. So ये तो हो गई पिछले vlog की बात, and because everything was taken so out of context, I was seriously shocked and I was not in a headspace to deal with all of that. तो मैंने सोचा कि चलो थोड़े टाइम के लिए भी काम बहुत ज़्यादा है, let's just not focus on these thoughts at all. So anyway, all of that aside, now I'm much better placed, and I felt like कि चलो videos बनाना continue करते हैं, and let's make something which is again creative and very positive and uplifting, and we'll continue with some of our vlogs, some of our renovation videos, all of that, and just bring back the whole crux and life into this channel back again. Alright guys, I will see you in another video.